Hey guys, this is AUTOMOHO and this is going to be my first vlog. I decided to update you guys on how my CLA45 been doing. It's been doing very well, and it is now at 30,000 miles. And if you follow me back then to when I first had my channel, it's been almost 2 years now, and I had the car since then, brand new. I bought the car brand new, and everything is great. And since I had the accident where I ran over to the deer, it was fixed and everything is going fine, and I promise you guys that I will update you guys on how my car is doing. So here it is. Today I will give you a full run of the CLA45 for my newer subscriber. If you guys haven't checked out the old video, go ahead and check it out so you see what's the CLA45 have been up to. Guys, I just stopped by Target and got this window vent mounting kit so I can mount it into my windshield. I bought two of them, one for the front and one for the back, so you guys can view the front as well as the outside when I drive. And I also grabbed this a selfie stick, because if I'm going to start doing vlogging, I'm gonna need some kind of a selfie stick. It is only $19.95, and this one only cost me $20, so I bought two. So this is the selfie stick here, and this is the mount, one on the back. I still get really excited every time I get into this car, and even though it's a 4-cylinder, and I had so much fun running this thing every day. I drive this thing on a daily basis, and I enjoyed it. It's a very fun car to drive. Love that exhaust note. I like that crackle. I really haven't bring this baby into the racetrack, but I wanted to bring it in sometime so I can try and see, you know. Now, if you want to see this kind of vlog again, you know, just let me know in the comment below. I try to do more of this vlog video so you guys know what's going on with me and the channel. Lovely sound, isn't it? I like to put this thing in sport mode, and I use the paddle shifter. And it shifts really quick. Just have fun with it. And the best thing I like about this car is that the gas. I save a lot of gas driving this car. Like it's only take 14 gallons, and every time I fill it up, for now the gas is going down really cheap, so to fill up a full tank of gas on this car, it only takes about $27, and it lasts me sometime a week and a half. And you know, it still have the power when I need it, so it's get me in and out really quick to where I want to go. And when you're in the mood, you know, for an aggressive ride, you can just push down on the gas pedal, and this thing move as well. Very excited car. Love my baby. I don't know if I ever get rid of this. drive. I know I said that many times, but I mean, I can't resist not saying that. You heard that exhaust note and that pop and crackle? I loved it. So guys, I'm going to take this thing out and to get it vacuumed up, and it's been quite dirty. I haven't had time to wash it or vacuum this, so it's very messy. I don't know if you can see that, but it is very messy. Let's head out to Benny Car Wash, and then we're gonna have it vacuum up. I try to find a better camera so I can record my video with new camera. I'm telling you, this is a very fun car to drive. I drive it every day, like on a daily basis, and I still enjoyed it. Every time I get into the car, it's like I get excited for some reason. Now, I never had any problem with this car before. The only thing I did to it since I bought the car was the 10,000 mile service and the 20,000 mile service, which is the service A and B from Mercedes, which I think they changed the oil change when it first get to the 10,000 miles, and then the second 10,000 mile was when it was at 20,000 miles. So they had to do the A and B service, and since then I haven't had any other service, but I'll probably have to bring it in sooner, because it is almost at 30,000 miles now. About 50 more miles before I get to 30,000 miles. I never have any problem. The only thing I don't like about the car is the wind noise. There's not much of a wind noise, but you can hear some wind driving if you don't have the audio turned on. But once the music is on, you know, that tends to go away. I guess the music just take over the noise. And the other thing I don't like about the car is that sometimes it has this rattling sound on the dash. But it's not that bad to where I can't live with it. I mean, it's there obviously, but I'm used to it now. Other than that, I mean, I love everything about the car. I love the exhaust note. I love the fact that it saved me a lot of gas, and it's a fun car to drive. I mean, I loved it. Right now I had it in sport mode, and at any time I wish to use the paddle shifter, I can just upshift or downshift it, which gives me a very aggressive ride. I'll show you. See how it just gives more gas to the pedal. Maybe in the future I will, after a few years, I'll probably get another car. I don't know when, but I'm probably gonna give this car to my daughter when she gets a little older. especially when she started to drive. But since, I mean, it's gonna be a couple more years before that happens. So, but if I was to get a car, the next car I'm going to get is probably going to be the Audi RS7, or probably the BMW M6, and the CLA45 AMG. I had my eyes on those for a long time. It's just that I don't need another vehicle right now. But I'm the kind of person that love sport car with a lot of power. I just love car, and if I can ever afford any of the exotic car, I'm probably going to get the Lamborghini. And the one I like recently is the Huracan, that I did the review on that. Okay guys, here we are at the Benny car wash place. I'm going to come in and vacuum my car for free. Well, they offer the service for, if you wash your car here, you get it for free. But you know, most of the time I just come in and get my car vacuumed. But my goodness, they're so crowded. See all this car here getting a free vacuum. Oops, this guy here just pulled out. I'm gonna pull in before someone else get in. Get my car clean up to show you guys. So I had this car all vacuum up, looking clean. I love it when it's clean. Nothing feels better than that. And this is what happened when you choose to go get a free vacuum. It is very busy. You have to wait in line. I guess because it is a Saturday. Usually it's not this busy. And you can see the difference, you can hear the difference. Let me put the window down so you can hear. I mean, this is in comfort mode right now, and you cannot hear the, you don't hear the crackle and the pop in comfort mode. But once I put it into comfort mode, you can hear it. So you hear the difference? There you go. Alright guys, today I will be getting my car washed. As you can see, it is very dirty right now. I'm going to show you the wheels. That's how my wheel looks right now. It is dark out because of the dust. I will have it washed and then show you a little tour around my car once I have it done with. So be back in about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, as you can see, this is how dirty the tire is. Wash it. I'll show you how it should look. See all that dirt flying up? Look at it. This is how it should look. That's how it should look. I will go ahead and detail this piece and then come back to show you the finished product. So I just sprayed the car and I'm letting it soak for a few minutes and then start washing it. If you guys know how to you know, any secret to keep the car clean on how to wash the car, a dark color car like mine, and keep the scratches away from it, please feel free to comment below and help me out, because you know, every time I wash it I see kind of the swirling mark on the paint. It is a dark car, so it's very easy to show up the scratches that I made with the towel. So if you have any product or any kind of towel that you use to help clean the black car and keep it shiny looking like, please comment below and let me know. I would appreciate it. Alright guys, I just finished washing this baby. It is very shiny. I just gotta dry it out now. I love it when it looks clean like this. It looks brand new off the lot. Here you go guys, and I'm done with the car wash. It is as good as new. That's how the wheel looks like now. So as you can see, before the when the deer hit the car like 2 years ago, the damage was on this side right here. But everything was fixed. And I'm so sorry guys, it took me 2 years to update how my car look now. Very sorry about that. And there's my 4 girls right there. Yep, I have 4 little girls. They're having fun riding on their Franklin animal right now. So as you can see, they did a good job fixing this car back then. Hey, hey! Alright guys, that is it for today's video. And if you guys want to see more like super sport or exotic car, you know, just comment below and let me know. I mean, I wanted to film more of the, you know, daily driver for all of you, because I think not everybody can afford a super sport car. You know, just basically any car you want me to film, just go ahead and comment below and I will make it happen. Alright, so peace out you guys.
Yeah.